I am so excited today to be doing an unboxing and product review of something that I've wanted to purchase for a very long time. I don't know about you guys, but when you go on Amazon, I discovered there was over 800 800 listings for dual tip brush markers, and I had no idea which one to buy. So what I did was I picked two. This is the first. It is by Caisexile, that's how I'm going to say it. I just loved the packaging. I thought it was beautiful. The colors were gorgeous. It has 60 colors inside and 60 unique colors. That's something to pay attention. I got burned one time when I bought something that said 72 colors, and I thought they were all unique colors, but they were not. It was just duplicates. And I was very disappointed not to be getting 72 unique colors. So this is a big deal. These are tip markers, not chisel markers. They say their ink is acid-free, non-toxic, and quick drying. From the looks of the package, I love it already. I would feel very confident giving this as a gift and getting this as a gift. But what we want to do is check out what's inside, and then we're going to test it out on a couple of art coloring projects. So very carefully, I am going to unseal this. Let's see what comes in this box. Okay. All right, right away I see something really important, and that is nib replacements. There are 3 nib replacements that come with this, and that could be very important going forward. Wow, look at all these colors. Let's see, I'll pull out one of my favorites. Right there, we see this is the fat tip side, and this is the fine tip side. They're very nice looking. Let's see if they've got a shade number. Nope, not on that. Let's see right here. Okay, so one thing I noticed right away is there is no markings on here for color, shade color number. Okay, let's unbox the rest of these. And that's all. Wow. Okay, so this is amazing. I love looking at all these colors. Let's just take a look here. Alrighty, that is the tip side, and that is the fine tip side. Alright, let's put these to the test. All set. I've got oranges, many different greens, yellows, browns. Okay, this is a very fall inspired coloring here. Started right